In this video, I'm going to show you how to check in online with Cathay Pacific. So what we're going to do, firstly, go to the Cathay Pacific official website. Okay, so go to their website, and then once you're on their website here, the official page here. So what we're going to do, once once the page loads here, if you are like a Cathay Pacific member, which means you have been traveling frequently, you are already a member of them. So what you can do is you can simply log into your account. So you can simply sign in or log into your account. Okay, but if you're not, what we're going to do, you can just scroll all the way down on the home page here. Scroll all the way down, and you will see here there is this option called check-in here. So simply click on check-in. When you click on check-in, this will take you to the check-in page here. Okay, so in the check-in page, okay, if you are like I mentioned earlier, if you're like already a member, so you can simply log into your member ID here. So you can simply hit on sign in and then sign into your member. Or if you want to become a member, so you can click on this second option here and then sign in, become a member. Just make sure you can only check in if you're a member 48 hours prior to the departure. So keep that in mind. So you can only do that within 48 hours. And if you're not a member, what are you going to do? You can simply click on this option here, the second tab, find a booking, and then provide your first name, your given name, and your booking reference number, and then hit on find my booking. And please note that you can only check in like 24 hours before departure. So make sure you are accessing it just 24 hours, within 24 hours before departure. Okay, and then hit on find my booking, and then and it will pop up your booking, where once you're eligible for checking in, once you're within the time period, you will have an option to check in there. Just click on the check in button and then follow a few on screen prompt, and that's it, you're done.